Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate a free Paramount Plus trial, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy premium streaming content. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Paramount Plus website. Click on the Try It Free or Start Free Trial button. Step 2. Select your preferred plan, Essential for limited ads or Premium for ad-free streaming with additional features. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your Paramount Plus account. Step 4. Provide your payment information. Although required for registration, you won't be charged during the free trial period. Step 5. Review the trial terms carefully, noting the trial duration and the date when billing will begin if you don't cancel. Step 6. Click Start Free Trial to activate your subscription immediately. Step 7. Download the Paramount Plus app on your preferred devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, or streaming devices. Step 8. Log in and start streaming movies, TV shows, live sports, and exclusive Paramount Plus originals during your free trial period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.